Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonam Rautale, and if you are meeting me first time, then I do a lot of different type of video on my channel, which is skincare, hair care and lot of things. So if you're interested in any of the topic, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon for the more notification. We are going to talk about the brushes which I have bought from online Amazon. So the packaging is like this. The name of it, Premium Professional Synthetic Kabuki brush sets, and they come in like this type of box. This is a plastic box, and in here you have all the brushes over here. It comes in plastic cover like this, and the bristles are extremely soft. They're so soft, and it has a cover like this to hold up the brushes, and the bristles are so soft. All these brushes we are going to make a makeup tutorial today, and if you're interested then please keep on watching. Okay, these are the brushes. We get 5 face brushes and 8 eye brushes. So isn't that amazing? While working up, I'm going to show you how the brushes work, how they apply, how you can work with it and all. So let's start. This is a brush. It is really dense and it is really soft. So you can use this as a concealer, building up your concealer, or applying your moisturizer, or you can do anything. But the bristles, it is so soft. They're really nice. They're high quality. It feels really soft on my skin. So now I'm going to use my moisturizer and just prep my skin. Today I'm going to do a high-end makeup. High-end means normally I don't use my foundation. I just took my eye look and I just create the base. Like I have created a foundation, but without a foundation I work on. But today I'm going to use foundation, my concealer, my setting powder, everything, because I want to use all the brushes. So yeah, let's start with the moisturizer. The moisturizer what I'm going to use today is from Garnier Wrinkle Cream, and this is a really nice, you can see it's really amazing. So I'm just going to apply a little bit on my skin. Just going to spray a little bit of Fix Plus onto my skin. Firstly, when I start my makeup, let me tell you that I work really differently than others. It's not like I don't use tips. I do use what works for me personally, and if you try, if it works for you, then it is the best technique you can use, and you can do your skincare also really nicely. So try to use the products mixing. It will give you a nice effect. So this is the Fix Plus I'm going to use, and I'm just going to spray it. I personally don't like to spray this onto my skin because I just put it on my palm and I just apply it. But today, yeah. Now I'm going to take this brush, this small tiny brush. It is an angular type of a brush, and I'm just going to blend this. It blended out so smoothly. Extremely nice brush. Use my concealer. If you have any of the problematic areas, you can just use a corrector, but now I'm going to use just a peachy corrector. It's a little bit of darker for my skin tone, which is 25 medium. This is from Maybelline Fit Me range, and I'm just going to apply it under my eyes and just blend it. I'm just going to apply it a lot. This makeup tutorial is not for daily. This you can use it for functions. If you have any functions going on, all you can do this makeup, but not for daily. I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm just going to oh. Wow, it blended out so smoothly. Oh my god. Today I'm going to use the stick foundation from Makeup Revolution. This is the shade from FC. So I'm going to use this brush. This is a little bit of fatter and denser, more denser to it. So this is the foundation brush, and I'm going to use this. You can see this close-up look. This is so beautiful brush. You can see the bristles. They're so soft and so beautiful. use my foundation. I'm just not going to apply it directly onto my skin. I'm just going to take up like this, a little bit on my brush, and I'm going to work it up slowly. Wow, it blends out so smoothly. This is a dewy type of a foundation, semi-dewy, like a velvety finish. It gives you a velvety finish and a really dewy effect. I hope you can see that dewiness on my skin. This foundation is really nice. It feels like a skin-like texture, and it is really melting down. Use the Fit Me concealer again. This is the shade from 25, and I'm just going to apply it under my eyes again, just to give it a little bit lift up. With that, I'm going to layer it on with 20 Sable. I'm just going to layer this up and just drag it upwards. This is what I do personally. It depends on you, like how you want to work with it. So I'm going to use the first brush which I have used for the concealer, and I'm just going to blend with it because this brush is so good. It blends down so beautifully. This powder I'm going to use from Fit Me range. The shade number is 15, as this shade is lighter for me, but yeah, it works. This is the brush I'm going to use, as this is really pointed, and it's also fluffier. It's really soft though. It's also fluffier, and I can apply my powder under eye. Quickly, I'm going to take up this loose powder from Fit Me, and I'm just going to apply it under my eye. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Salvation palette from Makeup Revolution. I have these all shades. This is the brush what I'm using today. I'm going to use this fluffy brush over here. This is so fluffy. So I'm going to take this brush today. I'm going to take the Salvation palette, and from here I'm going to pick up this shade, and I'm just going to work with it. So just take up that shade. This brush blends really beautiful. It applies really beautiful, and I loved it. So I'm just going to blend this into my crease, and I'm just going to go really simply. This is a mauve type of shade, and I'm just going to move that further to my eyebrows. That's it. Type of brush, like it's really dense. So I'm going to use the side shade from here, and I'm just going to use it into my crease. Wow, it is fabulous. So today I'm going to use the Being Woman eyeshadow palette. It has really amazing shades in it. These are the shades, and you can I'll just swatch it. You can see. So these are the beautiful shades, and today I'm going to use this shade onto my lid, and I'm going to work with it. So I'm just going to wet this with my setting spray. Use any of the setting spray you have. You can use Fix Plus also. So, and I'm just going to take up this shade over here, which I showed you. It's so beautiful, and I'm just going to pick up that shade, and I have not applied any concealer, anything, so I'm just directly going on sticking it. You can see the pigmentation of this color. It is way pigmented. Just take this same shadow under your eyes, half the way, only half the way. Brush which was tiny enough, and I'm just going to blend this. The edges I'm going to blend really nicely. Very precise brush, and I love this. It's so beautiful. it goes on so beautifully. I'm just going to take this brush again, guys, and I'm just going to blend this out. I'm just going to take black shadow from here with the same brush, and I'm just going to go with the outer corners. This palette is way pigmented, really pigmented, so you should work really nicely. So yeah, you can see I've just used at my corners, and here also I'm going to use the same thing, only at my corners, half the way, not way inside, just the outside. I'm going to use the fluffy brush what we used first, and I'm just going to blend this everything together. Now I'm going to use this really amazing brush. You can see this, so soft. And I'm going to dust out everything. Oh my god, it feels so good. On a palette, and I'm going to use this beautiful gold shade from here. This gold shade from here. Spray from NYX Dewy Professional, and I'm going to spray this onto my skin. After this sets up, I'm going to use this same brush which I have used to bake the powder, and I'm going to use this Hoola Benefit. I'm going to contour it. Oh my god, it contours beautifully. For my blush, I'm going to use this palette. I think most of you all have seen this palette, and it has two highlighted shades and one blush shade. So this is the blush brush, and I'm just going to take this onto my oh my god, this is so precise, and this is so good. And for highlighter, I'm going to use this highlighter over here. I'm going to mix them both. Spray any of them Fix Plus you have, just spray on it, and then we are going to apply it. Oh my god, this brush is so beauty. So for my today's lipstick, I'm going to use this Matte Me Ultra Smooth Lip Color. This is from the shade is 415, and I'm just going to apply this shade onto my lips. Favorite mascara. I love this mascara so much, and this is from Calabar, and this is Zoom and Whoosh mascara. So this is my final look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.